Okay, good morning children. Today let us go to learn about example 7. Show that root 5 minus root 3 is irrational. So like this model, yesterday you learned example 7. Show that root 2 is irrational. So like this model, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Out of these 4 examples, any one of the examples will be given for 4 marks. Okay, so these are very important sums. So today our sum is example 8. Show that 5 minus root 3 is irrational. How to prove that? How to prove? How to prove 5 minus root 3 is irrational? So as I said yesterday, root 2 is irrational. Already you learned yesterday. So in the same method, you can solve this sum also. That is contradiction method. So by using contradiction method, you can show that root 5 minus root 3 is irrational number. So to prove this as irrational number, let us contradict the fact. Let us assume 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Assume that 5 minus root 3 is rational. If it is rational, then we know that every rational number can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. So we know that the definition of rational numbers. So now 5 minus root 3 is written as a by b. Here a and b are co-primes. A and b are co-primes and b is not equal to 0. That is the condition. So co-primes means the numbers a and b are having no common factors. Okay. Now simplify this one. 5 minus root 3 equal to how much? 5 by 3 assumed. Then bring the a by b from RHS to LHS. Then how it becomes? 5 minus a by b is equal to, now send the minus root 3 from LHS to RHS, then it becomes root 3. So again that implies by rearranging root 3 is equal to 5 minus a by b. 5 minus 5 means 5 by 1. So the LCM of 1 and b is b. You know that in b 1 goes b times b into 5, 5b, minus in b goes 1 time 1 into a. So root 3 value how much you got? 5b minus 5b minus 5b minus a by b. So but 5b minus a by b is rational. Is rational for all a b belongs to q. If you take any values for a and b as a rational numbers, then you get 5b minus a by b value rational. So therefore root 3 is equal to what? Rational. But it contradicts the fact root 3 is irrational. So we know that actually root 3 is irrational but not rational. But how did you get here root 3 as a rational? Why you got like this? Because our assumption is, what did you assume? We assumed that 5 minus root 3 is a rational. Our assumption is false. So therefore 5 minus root 3 is irrational. 5 minus root 3 is irrational. So in this way you can prove the 5 minus root 3 value irrational. So we know that when irrational number is subtracted or added to any rational number, the resulting number you get the irrational only. To prove that, we follow the method contradiction method. Contradiction means we take another reverse number. So actually you have to prove irrational. 5 minus root 3 is irrational, but to assume that 5 minus root 3 is rational. If it is rational means you can write the rational number value as a p by q form. That means a by b here I wrote here. Here a and b are co-primes. So by simplifying this root 3 value, we know that already in the first example 7, We proved that root 3 is irrational. In the same way, root 3 is rational, root 5 is irrational. So from this root 3 value, how much you got? 5a minus a by b. For all value, for any value of a and b, you get this entire value as a rational number. So then what did you get? Root 3 equal to rational. But this is wrong according to fact. So this contradicts the fact. Root 3 is irrational. So that's why did you get wrong? Our assumption is false, because you assumed that 5 minus root 3 is rational. So that's why 5 minus root 3 is not a rational. What is that? 5 minus 3 is a irrational. So that is the proof. Okay, children? Good. Note down this and do this sum like this model. I'll give you one sum. Do this and show me. Show that show that 2 minus root 5 is irrational. So model, same model, but numbers are changing, that's all. Okay, do properly all the sum and post on WhatsApp. Okay.